Today I am going to be unboxing and installing Corsair Vengeance RGB Memory. This is the white module and it is 16 gigabytes, 2 times 8 gigabytes with 3200 megahertz. Now, to unbox this, there's a little piece of tape right here. So you just open that up. And there she is, the white RGB memory. Now let's install it in my computer. Now, if you haven't seen any of my previous videos, this is an Antec P50 case, and the motherboard is an Asus Z270G, but this will be available for all kinds of motherboards out there, DDR4 motherboards to be specific. So first off, let's take the old memory out of the motherboard because this is DDR2133. Now this motherboard has only one slot or one button to pull the memory out, which makes it really easy. So there's that. Now let's open this up. Okay, so you open it from right here. Just like that. There's the top of it. Okay, so it goes in this way on this motherboard specifically. Make sure it's tight. All right, that's not going anywhere. Now let's try the other piece. Oh, and one thing you should discover is that the tops can pull off, so that way if you want full LED viewing, you have that ability as well. Strange, but it's cool. And there you have it. Okay, now that I have the memory installed in my computer, I would like to leave the computer case open until I confirm that this memory works. So what I'm going to do before I boot into Windows is I'm going to go into the BIOS to see that if I get the full 16 gigabytes and the proper megahertz. So let's turn this on. Oh. Nice light show. Now, since this is an Asus motherboard, they tend to have this kind of boot sequence. I don't know why, but it's just how it is. Post beep, that's a good sound. Now, let me hit delete. Okay, so it is confirmed right here in the BIOS that I have both 8 gigabyte sticks installed, and apparently they're defaulted at 2133 megahertz, probably for safety reasons until I can clock it at the proper speed. I'm not sure how to do that stuff, so thank you for watching on how to upgrade your memory. Leave comments, give thumbs up, let me know if you want benchmarkings or how to configure the RGB LEDs. That's about it. Now, while you are on your computer, a lot of you tend to have problems with it, such as slow performance, a lot of viruses, anything like that. Before you take it to the repair shop or consider buying a new one, come to my website, remotetechassistance.com. While you're there, please download my 7 simple secrets to make your computer run faster. It is free.
it is simple, and it is also safe. Also, if you do not want to look at the PDF, come to my Remote Tech Assistance channel on YouTube and watch the secrets there. They are also as simple as the PDF file. Just go to remotetech.assistance.com. There is a link in the description below.